Okay guys, it's actually we're gonna play Parkour Run update. And I'm gonna see we're gonna only do it for about 15 minutes. So if the video ends shortly, it's because of that. Okay. And let's just play. It's like games born fun, I think. Okay, so this is a game where you run. It's a game where you run and do parkour. I just hope I don't lose, because then I would have to start all over again. And when you finish, it times the time. Oh. Okay, let's go again. This is hard. It's also hard. I'm not good with it at computers. I'm good at another game. Okay, let's go here. Okay, I'm gonna see which one's it. Oh no! Oh, Noah's here also. This is hard. Oh, Noah, my brother, and Noah was playing. We're supposed to do it. We're trying to do it. Oh my goodness, I don't want to waste like 15 minutes on this. Oh my goodness. Yes, I can go to this one. This is hard. For me at least. And when you go to the end, it times the time. So like, it will be harder. Oh. And it won't see like times 2 when you go. It can't be times 1 because anything times 1 is itself. Oh, I hope I just want to win one round at least. Okay. Oh, I don't like those things because they like spin. I don't really like it. I've done it before, but it's just hard doing it right now because I'm so new. Oh, okay. Come on. Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't think we'll have enough time to finish. Yeah, it's okay. It's because I just joined in already, so we didn't have enough time. So let me just wait these 9 seconds. Oh, my hand is so sweaty. Okay, let's go. Oh no! Oh man, okay. Lost. I didn't know. Forgot. Oh, I'm bad at this game. I just want to run around. No. That makes me stressing. Oh. I'm bad at computer. Let's go. Okay. No. Oh, I hate this part. Oh. Okay, let's do this again. No. I'm doing it too fast. I don't know if I can do this. Oh, come on. 3 more minutes left. Oh, please. No. Oh, come on. Just think we can do it. Oh, or something. Okay. Maybe that won't be better. Okay, come on. Okay, let's go. Oh no, it's times 3. Okay. No! I forgot. Man. I'm gonna do this. Oh no, it's already 1 minute. Do I need to buy time? I don't want to do that right now. Oh, I just wanted an easy level to show you guys on what happened. Oh, it's okay. I'll just wait it out. It's impossible waiting away for the other seconds. Let's do this. Okay, let's do this. Turn. Okay, come on. Go. Oh, you got this. I got this. Turn. Yes. Blue. Yes. Or purple level. I guess it's not blue. Well, it kind of purple is kind of blue, I guess. Well, it's actually purple, I guess. If it's like in light, then I think it's purple. No! I thought that was connected. Oh no. Okay, come on. I just want to be like at least one to second to third place. Oh. Okay, let's do this. Jump! Yes, I got it. Oh my goodness. I thought I was gonna lose and go to my checkpoint. Okay, yes. Yes, got it. I gotta wait until it goes at the right moment. Now let's do this. Okay, let's just envision this. Okay, come on. Oh, I got it. I got it. Yes. Okay, let's go to green. Oh, pink level or purple. Well, pink, I think. Yeah, it's just pink. Why did I say purple? It's pink. Okay. The pink level. Let's do this. I think I could actually win this. Oh, it's 2 more minutes. That's scary. But I'm still very close to the end. I can't. I could still do this. Okay, last level. Gotta be careful now. Let's just do this. No, okay. Okay. Oh no, this is hard. No! Okay, let's just run. Come on. Go. Oh my goodness, I'm so close. Can't say, but we shouldn't say that we win right now. We gotta. It's not happening yet. We can do it. And yes! And this is what happens when you press this. It times the thing. Oh no! No, I didn't want my brother to have that. Sorry, Noah. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so we're going. Yes, 9 minutes. I showed a win in 9 minutes. And you can also buy stuff to help the thing. can also buy trails and coins. Okay, oh my goodness. Okay, let's try to do one more level. Okay? And then, but it's okay if we don't, because we already won on one level. So it's okay. No! Okay. Oh, it's 11 minutes. It's gonna be hard to fit this into 4 minutes. Okay. No! Man, this is gonna be hard. It's still gonna be hard. It's still gonna be hard though. Still gonna be hard. No, that's hard. Okay, I won't be. Yes, I'm on green. Just gotta go pink and then white, which is last, which is the end. Well, it's kind of grayish, not really white, but it's okay. Okay, let me just see, just in case. Okay, green. More time, yes. Somewhere about time, yes. Thanks. Oh, thanks, Noah. Oh, this is Santa Claus level. I like this. This is when I first played the game. Well, I first remembered, and then I played the game. Oh no, I don't like this one. Okay. Oh no, it's times 5. Oh no, we gotta get time or something. Oh no, we're so close to winning. I'm on literal pink. I have to go close. Okay. Okay, come on. It's okay if we don't win. Remember, it's okay. It's just a game. Yes, we won. Guys, we won. Yes. Okay. That's all for today, guys. Bye. Oh, and different areas are different colors. I forgot to tell you that. And there's like a showing who's in front and who's not in front. Okay, bye guys. I'll see you in the next video.